यदा सन्देहः चलति चेत् मनः उद्देश्य
सताम् अन्तःकरणः एव प्रमाणं भवति. That is, as they say, no, listen to your voice of conscience.
Yes.
That is how it is. I think this is Abhignana Shakuntalam Madhye Asti iti manye idam vakyam. So that's what it says. Anybody else wants to elaborate on this? Shailaja? Mahodaya?
अहमपि तादृशमेव चिन्तयामि शाकुन्तलमेव इति
अभिज्ञान शाकुन्तलं मध्ये
नो चेत् पुस्तके एव रामायणं तादृशं द्वितीयं सूक्तिः तु लिखितमस्ति किल रामायणम् इति तादृशं
रामायण
नीतिचन्द्रिका अथवा
I mean more explaining on this bhavatya
in ambiguous matters, noble men seek the counsel of their own conscience. तावदेव ये अङ्कः तु एकः एव भवति अतः तावदेव लिखामः चेत् वरम्.
So I think we just have to exactly write the meaning as it is, isn't it? Okay. So there is nothing much to...
Pravritayah means
happenings.
Happenings, okay. Matters, okay.
Satam hi santeha padeshu vastushu.
Vastushu, okay, that is ambiguous matters.
We don't have Saptami Bahuvachanam. We don't even have to go into the grammar details of it, no? Shailaja Mahodaya?
न महोदय केवलं कण्ठस्थीकृत्य
अर्थं
लिखामः तावदेव.
Good. Then
and it's just the meaning, right? So is it like 1 point? 1 point?
One mark.
Shailaja Mahodaya, संस्कृतेन स्वल्पं वदतु.
अहं तु न जानामि महोदय. सतां हि सन्देहपदेषु वस्तुषु प्रमाणम् अन्तःकरणप्रवृत्तेः प्रतिपदार्थः तादृशम् इच्छति वा भवान्?
The meaning
सतां हि इत्युक्ते साधुजनाः तेषां मनसि कुत्रापि सन्देहम् अस्ति चेत् ते मनसि किं प्रवर्तते इति चिन्तयन्ति तदेव तेषां कृते प्रमाणं मनसि किम् उद्भवति तादृशभावेमेव ते प्रमाणम् कार्याणि
कुर्वन्ति.
Satam ityukte noblemen, is it?
साधवः साधुजनाः.
सत्सतौ सतः सताम्. I think षष्ठी बहुवचनं. Okay. The second one, Naresh Bhattacharya.
Manohi hetuhu sarvesham indriyanam pravartane. Mano hi hetuhu sarvesham indriyanam pravartane.
Okay. Mind is the cause.
So, of course, you will read the English translation of it.
Mind is the cause of all activities, all the activities of sense organs. Ramayana. So, sarvesham indriyanam. Activities pravartane means activities or pravartane?
They're working or
activities.
यदा रामः सीता अपहरणार्थं बहु दुःखम् अनुभवति किल तदा लक्ष्मणः एवं वदति इति मन्ये। अहं रामायणे तस्मिन् सन्दर्भे भवति रामः बहु दुःखितः अस्ति तदा लक्ष्मणः एवं तस्मै वदति।
So indriyanam pravartane in the
activities of the sense organs.
Activities of the mind, of the senses, sense organs.
केवलं मनः हि कारणः।
अतः सः उद्वेगम् एवं तस्य उत्साहम् आवश्यकं किल सीतान्वेषणार्थं सः बहु दुःखितः अस्ति रोदिति अतः लक्ष्मणः तस्य एवं वदति।
Yes, okay. So that way avagantum shaknumaha. Knowing the context, Okay, then Bhagya Mahodaya.
भवितव्यानां द्वाराणि भवन्ति सर्वत्र। भवितव्यानां द्वाराणि भवन्ति सर्वत्र। Destiny takes its own course everywhere. Bhavitavyanam is destiny.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, Bhavitavyanam means
to happen, right? Happen. What is to happen?
What is going to happen? Isn't it?
Happen? Yeah. So then,
what is meant to happen will happen.
What is meant
to happen? Okay. Bhavitavyanam.
Bhavitavyam, yeah, bhavitavyanam. Okay. Dvarani bhavanti sarvatra.
Dvarani. So, okay. That is where destiny takes its own. Dvarani, actually, it's a door.
Doors, yeah.
See, when something is going to happen, all the doors are open. It will happen.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
Is going to happen, the doors are open there. So nothing is going to stop it.
So I guess whatever has to happen in the future, the doors for that are open everywhere, maybe.
That means Dwarani Bhavanti means I think there is nothing that will stop. Once the doors are open, things will just go. That is what it means, I think. Okay. And Shailaja Mahodaya.
अप्रकटीकृत शक्तिः शक्तोपि जनस्थिरस्क्रियां लभते। अप्रकटीकृत शक्तिः यस्य शक्तिः न प्रकटितः भवति सः शक्तिमान् अस्ति चेदपि जनः तस्य तिरस्क्रियामेव लभते। तस्य विषये अधिक आदरः न भवति तादृशं। यदि सः शक्तिमान् इति प्रकटनं करोति तदा जनस्य मनसि तादृशम् आदरः भवति, नो चेत् तिरस्क्रियामेव सः प्राप्नोति इति। Though capable, a man is not taken seriously when he doesn't exhibit his potential.
Okay. So Shaktaha api is capable. Aprakatīkrita Shaktihi is when he doesn't exhibit his potential.
कार्यं न करोति चेत् प्रयोजनं किमपि नास्ति।
Shaktaha tiraskriyam labhate. Shaktaha
api, yeah, even though he's capable.
Shaktaha janaha.
No, not
Shaktaha
api janaha. So this aprakatīkrita Shaktihi janasya visheshanam va?
आम्
Janasya. No.
Now, how do you do the vigraham?
Shaktaha, right?
Shaktaha api janasya.
शक्तः जनः अपि अप्रकटीकृत शक्तिः शक्तः जनः अपि तिरस्क्रियां लभते।
What I am asking, this aprakatīkrita Shaktihi, that word, vigraham kata bhavati tasya.
प्रकटीकृत शक्तिः इत्युक्ते शक्ति प्रकटीकृतः शक्तिः यस्य सः प्रकटीकृत शक्तिः न प्रकटीकृत शक्तिः यस्य सः अप्रकटीकृत शक्तिः।
So it is
actually about a person, right?
It is a visheshanam about the jana. Shaktaha Janah.
Yeah, Janah. Shaktah Janah. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that is understood. Aprakatīkrita Shaktihi Shaktopi Janah Tiraskriyam Labate. So, okay. Then who else is there in the class? I mean, I don't know how to see that.
Kevad Mahoday is on the phone.
No,
And,
I don't know.
Yeah. He's on
Anuradha here.
Anuradha.
Okay, Anuradha, you read.
Dharmam jigyasamananam pramanam paramam shrutihi. The Vedas are the sole authority for those who desire to know dharma.
So, if you would like to do the Anvaya, how will you do that? Suppose you want Anvaya.
Jigyasamananam for the people
किं प्रमाणम् अस्ति श्रुतिः प्रमाणम् अस्ति कीदृशं प्रमाणं परमं प्रमाणं
So I think it should be Dharmam Jigyasamananam
Shrutihi
Paramam Pramanam Shruti. Athava Shrutihi Paramam Pramanam. Okay.
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति तिरस्क्रियां द्वितीया विभक्तौ अस्ति किल
जनः तिरस्क्रियां लभते.
Dvitiya vibhakti, right?
He faces neglect or he tiraskriyam labate. Janaha labate.
So that is the Dvitiya vibhakti.
Kidrishaha janaha shaktopi janaha shaktopi. Kidrishaha aprakatīkrita shaktihi janaha shaktopi. Because his shakti is not exposed. He is not showing it out.
I was thinking if it has to be in Dvitiya. That is what I was thinking.
It has to be Dvitiya.
Tiraskriyam.
Janaha tiraskriyam labate is the main sentence, right?
Yeah.
Kidrishaha janaha
Shaktaha.
aprakatīkrita shaktihi janaha. And shaktopi is another additional information.
So we start with the verb, then labate is the verb, right?
लभते इति सकर्मकः धातुः अतः तस्य कर्मपदं भवति तिरस्कृतं.
Karmapadam. So we start with that and kim labate tiraskriyam labate. And then from there.
Yeah. Ke labate janaha.
Kidrishaha janaha. Kidrishaha
Shaktopi.
janaha. Like that if we keep on asking questions,
Thank you. That sakarmaka, what does he get? Okay, thank you.
Okay, this one, fifth one, which you read, Dharmam Jigyasamananam Pramanam Paramam Shrutihi. This Jigyasamananam, more light on that? Anybody?
Shanach Swarupam. Shanach Rupam.
षष्ठी
बहुवचन.
षष्ठी बहुवचनम. Jigyasamana.
ज्ञातुम इच्छुः जिज्ञासा they say, no? ज्ञातुम इच्छते इति जिज्ञासते. Isn't it? That is how it goes. Shailija Mahoday, correct me if I'm wrong. जिज्ञासते आत्मनेपदम् अतः जिज्ञासमानः. जिज्ञासमानानां. So षष्ठी बहुवचन. Then who else is there? Who else is there? Anybody who is not read?
Surya
is there?
Mahodaya.
Surya, please.
ताम योगम इति मन्यन्ते स्थिताम इंद्रिय धारणा अन्वयतो स्थिताम इंद्रिय स्थिर इंद्रियाणाम आकर्षणम एव योगमिति उच्यन्ते. Something like that. Restraining the senses firmly is known as yoga. Sthira indriya.
Tam
Sthira indriya dharanam tam yogam iti manyante.
Yogam iti manyante. Yeah. So stiram indriyanam, stiram indriya dharanam. Dharanam.
Indriya dharana iti padam tasya dharanam iti bhavati.
Dvitiya vibhakti asti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Stiram is a viseshanam for that. Tam.
So indriyanam sthiram tam
yogamiti manyate. Okay.
So it's like this, right? Indriyanam sthiram.
Indriya dharana iti samasta padam.
Sorry, yeah. Indriya dharana sthiram tam yogam iti manyate. Right?
Tam stiram indriya dharanam yogamiti
okay.
Manyante. Tam stiram indriya dharanam yogamiti manyante. Is it correct?
Tam
stiram indriya dharanam yogamiti manyante. Then 7th one. Who else is there? Next, we'll take the same turns then.
Parameshwaran
Mahoday.
Parameshwaran Mahoday, John.
Parameshwaran is there?
Patanima. Vajradabihi dhiranam chittaratna makanditam. The mind of brave men is a precious stone which even a diamond cannot cut.
So can you do the Anvayam?
The Chittaratna Janaha
just first the Anvaya of the words and then meaning.
Vajradabi Chittaratna Manditam
Akhanditam.
Makhanditam na chittaratnam
Akhanditam.
Chittaratnam Akhanditam. Chittaratnam Akhanditam. Dhiranam.
That is how you start.
Dhiranam chittaratnam.
Vajradapi
Akhanditam.
Dhiranam chittaratnam vajrat api akhanditam.
Dhiranam chittaratnam hi, right?
Vajrat api. I think vajrat api hi akhanditam. See chittaratnam.
पादपूरणार्थमेव अस्ति अतः कुत्रापि
and more
स्थापयितुं
an emphasis, isn't it? So chittam ratnameva. How do you do the samasam there?
Amam upama
Uttarapadam. Chittam ratnameva.
Chittaratnam.
So the mind itself is hard like a stone. Okay. Vajrat api akhanditam. Actually, there is a beautiful this thing from in Kumaraka Sambhavam. I just remembered it. I noted it down. Ke dhiraha iti tatra uktam. Vikara hetau sati vikriyante esham na chittamsi tayeva dhiraha. Vikara hetau sati vikriyante esham na chittamsi sayeva dhiraha. Only he can be considered a dhira, a person of courage, whose mind is not disturbed or overcome by emotions, even in the presence of objects of temptations. So, that is why his chitta is called, I mean, very strong. Ratnam. Actually, they say, isn't it? Diamond cuts diamond. So if the diamond also cannot cut it, this is much more stronger than the diamond itself. The Ratnam, the mind which is strong. So akhanditam, na kanditam, akhanditam. It cannot be broken. Any more inputs? I mean, more just for our knowledge.
Vajrat api kim asti? Vajrat.
Panchami vibhakti.
Yeah, Panchami to asti. Parantu Vajra.
Actually, aham api usme that one Vajrena api. Like that, I was also thinking.
Yeah, Panchami versus Tritiya, right?
Panchami is versus Tritiya. But
Parantu Vajra kim asti?
Diamond.
Vajra is diamond.
Diamond. Diamond. Vajra is diamond.
Naresh Mohoday, you never bought.
No. Even if I had to, I called it diamond, not Vajra.
I'm just kidding.
But tatra kyo Vajrena akhanditam iti na iti uktam Vajrat iti uktam. Any idea why it
is very strong, right? It's
Vajrena?
supposed to cut. It can cut anything. Typically,
No.
diamond.
See,
the
normally
Panchami
we see
vibhaktehe karanamiti karakam
Panchami
kimartam
vibhaktehe
iti.
karanam in place of a Tritiya.
Oh,
vibhakti,
instead of Tritiya.
Instead
Okay.
of Tritiya. I mean, any idea?
Due to, I guess, because that's also Panchami, right?
Hetu Panchami.
Hetu.
Yeah.
Hetu.
Hetu.
No.
Aham na janami.
Yeah, due to. Yeah.
These are all, just our trying to understand the language part of it. Because we are just taking baby steps, so trying to question it. Okay, Vajra, that's what I was wondering. Why Vajrena iti na uktam tatra Vajrat api uktam.
Mohoday, you're taking toddler steps. We are taking baby steps.
Shailaja Mahoday, Bhavati na janami.
Shailaja Mahoday, even better.
Shailaja Mahoday should throw some light on it.
Aham anantaram anvishya vadishyami.
Okay.
Karanam kimiti.
Okay, then next who is? Parmeshwaran Mahoday is there?
Yeah, he did. He just did.
SB Mohan.
Bhavan.
Padani va?
Bhavan puttu.
Vrittena hi bhavatyaryo na dhanena na vidya. Vrittena hi bhavadi aryaha na dhanena na vidya. Good conduct makes one noble, neither wealth nor learning does.
Neither wealth nor learning does.
Dhanena na vidya na bhavadi aryaha. Parantu vidyena hi bhavadi.
Vrittena hi aryaha bhavati. Arya is noble, right?
The noble.
Vrittena kim asti? Atra vritta kim asti?
Conduct.
Means conduct. Vrittihi is means carrier.
Like they say, yogaha chitta vritti nirodha. The patterns. Like that. Like that, vritta is the way one behaves. Tatrapi uktam. Yogaha chitta vritti nirodha. Chitta vritti means the behavior of the mind or the patterns of the mind. So vrittena hi bhavati. So finally, it is not wealth or scholarship, it is only the good qualities or behavior.
Also means repetition, no?
Yeah, vritti is circle, right?
Vritti is circle, vrittam is repetition, no? That is vritti, repetition.
Vritti has got multiple meanings, even
Multiple meanings, yeah.
Kridanta
But here
vritti,
it is
taddita vritti, tadrasham api vritti eva. Many meanings.
Many meanings are there. I think contextual we have to take. What applies in that particular circumstance, isn't it?
Circular, repetitive, anything, I guess, right? Yeah. Pattern, all of those are like.
Thank you.
So any more inputs on this? Anybody has anything more to say on this?
अन्मेतो आर्यः वृत्तेन हि भवति न धनेन न विद्यया.
न विद्यया. Then next one, Bhatia Naresh Mahodaya.
Bhagini.
Okay.
Avyavasthita chittasya prasadopi bhayankarah. Even a favor conferred on you by a fickle-minded person can be dangerous. Avyavasthita chittasya prasado api bhayankarah. Avyavasthita chittasya, fickle-minded person. Yeah. Prasado means favor. Tatapi dangerous. Bhayankarah.
Actually,
Anvaya will be the same order, right? Anvaya will be exactly like that, I think.
Yeah, same line. Actually, this is part of the shloka. The other line, if we read it, we will understand. Kvachit trushtaha, kvachit tushtaha, trushtas tushtak kshane kshane. Who is avyavasthita chittaha, that says? That is fickle-minded. Vyavasthita chittaha, avyavasthita chittaha. Fickle, avyavasthita chittaha means fickle-minded. And the other line of the shlokam says, the first line goes like this. Kvachit trushtaha, kvachit tushtaha. He is angry at times, he is happy at times. Rushtas tushta kshane kshane. Within a minute, his mood changes.
Moment to moment.
Tadrishaha purushaha avyavasthita chittaha. Saha asmakam prasadaha karoti chet tadapi bhayankara. Suppose he favors us, because in a fit of happiness he will favor, and then within next minute he may get angry. We don't know what he will do. That is why even getting a favor from such a person is dangerous. That is what they say. So when you read the previous line, it makes more sense. Yeah. I found the other line of the shlokam or whatever it is.
That is very helpful, actually. If you we can even in the test.
Just for us to understand.
Yeah.
So who is that avyavasthita chittaha? Tadrisha janaha kshane rushtaha kshane tushtaha rushte tushte kshane kshane. So he is in a minute, he changes his mind. So that
moment to moment.
His favor is also not a very good thing. It may lead you into trouble. That's what it says.
What is the word used for the angry?
Rushtaha.
Rushtaha. Rushtaha. Kvachit rushtaha.
Rushtaha.
Tushtaha.
नीति चंद्रिका इति पुस्तकम् अस्ति किल तस्मात् इति अहं चिन्तयामि. नीति चंद्रिका इति अस्ति.
I didn't know the source. I didn't know, but I just tried looking for it, and I got this line. So I thought I will share.
शतकत्रयम् इति भर्तृहरेः.
नीतिशतकम्. नीतिशतकं मध्ये
अहं नीतिशतकं वा शृङ्गारशतकं न
वैराग्यशतकं नीतिशतकम् अहं अधुना पठन्ती अस्मि, परन्तु maybe there I have not read all the 100.
अहं चिन्तितवती नीतिचन्द्रिका इति अस्ति.
Anyway, good to know who is that
Subhashita.
avyavastita chittaha means that type of a person. Tadrishaha purushaha. Next one.
I'll do it.
Okay, Bhagya will read.
Uttishtata jagrata prapya varan nibodhata. Arise, awake, seek the best of men and learn from them.
Okay, good.
So
Actually,
Uttishtata, this is all Lotlakara, right? No. Uttishtata is not Lotla, the, what is it called? The
Madhyama Purusha.
no, oh, is it?
Yeah, Lotlakara Madhyama
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyamapurusha Bahuvachan.
Uttishtata jagrata, then prapya varan nibodhata. Varan is best of men, right?
Varan prapya nibodhata.
Okay.
Varan prapya.
Varan prapya.
Seek the, go to the greatest of people and learn from them.
Yeah.
Actually, this
Is that Vara?
this thing, this is taken from Kathopanishad, I believe.
Is it Varan or Varat? When you
Varan.
break it down?
Varan nibodhata.
Varan
prapya nibodhata. Varan means the great men.
Okay, best of men,
Vara.
yeah.
Okay, anything.
Bahuvachana.
Vara, anything you add to it, Naravara, if you say, is the best of men. Vara, when you add to any word, that shows the superlative, Sreshtatam, the best of that.
So what is the vibhakti here? Varan.
Dvitiya Bahuvachana.
Dvitiya Bahuvachana.
No. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Dvitiya Bahuvachana.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, right?
Subhashita.
Okay, yeah. Okay, makes sense because sorry, Tvam is the subject. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Madhyama
Yuyam.
It's Bahuvachana.
Yeah, Bahuvachana.
Yuyam is understood.
No, it's not Bahuvachana, is it?
Yeah, it's Bahuvachana.
Uttishtata. Uttishtha.
Ekavachanam would be Uttishta.
Uttishta.
Yeah, Uttishta, Uttishtatam, Uttishtata, is it?
Uttishtata.
Uttishtatam, Uttishtata. Uttishta, Uttishtatam, Uttishtata.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So, Varan prapya nibodhata. So actually, this is what Vivekananda also has used. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. That is how he used it.
Changed.
But these words he has taken from the Upanishad. Kathopanishad, it says. This is from Kathopanishad. Then next one, who will read? Anuradha? Anybody? Who?
Satyarjave dharmamahu param dharmavido janaha. Wise men say that being truthful and straightforward is the greatest dharma.
So
Satyarjave dharmam ahuhu param dharmam vidaha janaha. Dharmavidaha janaha.
Dharmavidaha janaha. Dharmavidaha is the adjective of janaha.
Dharmavit iti asti kila tasya dharmavidaha iti. Dharmavit iti bhavati. Dharmavidaha iti bahuvachanam. Dharmavit, dharmavidau, dharmavidaha.
Yeah, so that is the adjective of janaha, right?
Dharmavidaha janaha.
Dharmavid. Actually, there is
janaha.
The Vigraham is given as dharmasya vid. Dharmasya vid. One who knows the dharma. Actually, I was thinking dharmam veti iti dharma vid na bhavati kila. You can say it that way also. Dharmasya vid, it becomes that is one you can say, or the dharmam veti iti dharma vid. So the people who know the
dharma.
And this also satyam cha arjavam cha satyarjave.
What is satyarjave? Okay, is it?
This is dvandva samasam, truth and straightforwardness. Straightforwardness.
Arjavam is straightforward.
Arjavam is straightforward. So satyam cha arjavam cha satyarjave. Dvivachanam.
Yeah, dvivachanam.
That is dvandva
Dvandva
samasa.
samasah.
So truth and straightforwardness. Ahu is dhru.
Bhaviti.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Vidaha janaha dharmam
Dharmavida.
dharmam
Dharmavid, dharmavidav, dharmavidaha.
dharmavidaha janaha
Bahuvachanam, janaha.
Satyarjave param dharmam iti ahu.
Dharmavido janaha ahuhu.
Ahuhu kaha dhatu bhagini?
Bru dhatu. Shailaja?
Bru.
This
Aha iti pratama ekavachanam. Pratama purushah ekavachanam. Ahuhu iti pratama purushah bahuvachanam. Latlakaram.
Latlakaram. Okay. But
आहुः इति लट्लकारम् एव मन्ये किन्तु द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः इदानीम् अहं शेर् करोमि अतः अहं ब्रौसर् न त्यक्त्वा न गच्छामि
एतत् सर्वं you can share it with us later, you know, wherever we are in doubt. I mean, this is beyond, not required for the exam, just for understanding. Okay. And then anything else in this? So next one, somebody will read. Anuradha, Surya, whoever is there. 12th one.
Sve karmanya viratah samsiddhi labate naraha. अर्थः अन्तः अस्ति यः स्वीयेषु कार्येषु निरतः भवति सः एव मानवः सिद्धिं प्राप्नोति स्वयमेव कार्यं कर्तुं प्रयत्नं करोति सः एव सिद्धिं प्राप्नोति
स्वसे कर्मणि अभिरतः I think that should be broken. स्वसे
स्वे कर्मणि षष्ठी सप्तमी एकवचनं स्वे कर्मणि अभिरतः नरः संसिद्धिं लभते. Actually this is from Bhagavad Gita, I think. So it says in the next line says Swakarma nirataha siddhim yata vindati tat shruno. Then he says shruno, you later listen to me. So the whole meaning is by fulfilling their duties born of their mind, of their inner qualities, human beings can attain perfection. Now hear from me how one can become perfect by discharging one's prescribed duties. The second line goes like this. Swakarma nirataha siddhim yata vindati tachruno. So this is the first line of that. Chapter 18.
प्राप्नोति
इति अहं प्रायः दोषं टङ्कणदोषं
मानवः प्राप्नोति
typo it is.
अहम् अनन्तरं समीकरिष्यामि.
अत्र अर्थं संस्कृतभाषायां किमर्थं दत्तम्?
Only for this it is given in Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Prap is ubhayapadi, is it?
No. Aap dhatu. Pra upasarga.
But is it apnoti and apnute? Both are there?
उभयपदी
right?
तर्हि प्राप्नोति अपि समीचीनमेव तर्हि प्राप्नोति इति भवति वा किम् अस्ति इति अहं
प्राप्नोति अथवा प्राप्नुते. So it is not प्राप्नोते.
No, no.
Either way it is wrong. Okay. But Ubhayapadi, isn't it? Up dhatu.
Prapnoti eva pustake asti. Idanim
Prapnoti. Okay. Only for this they've given in Sanskrit. The rest they've done only given on in English. I think we have come to the end of Suktihi. Then Prahelika, somebody, what is the time like? Okay, we have still time. So anybody is, I'm not ready with Prahelika. Somebody's Shailaja or Anuradha, anybody ready with the next?
I think we can.
Prahelika, I think we have done some, isn't it?
Yeah.
revision.
I think we did this one. Parvatagre rathoyati bhumo tishtati saratihi chalate vayu vegena padamekam na gacchati. Even a foot.
Dvitiya might be kritam. Rajan Kamala Patrakshas.
Tate bhavata chakshayam asadayati sadrupam karena karanahivna.
Not sure.
We can
Yeah,
do this
we
one.
did it.
I think we can do from
We'll just
beginning.
revise everything, right?
We can do from beginning. At least we will go. Somebody take it up. I mean, who is?
Can start the first one. I think I already read it. Parvatagre ratho yati bhumau tishtati saratihi chalate vayuvegena padamekam na gacchati. So what is it that Parvatagre ratah yati? It goes ahead.
No, Parvatasya agre ratah.
Okay, on the top is it, or okay, on top is it? Parvatagre means on top. Ratah yati. It goes. Bhumau tishtati saratihi. On the earth, but it stays on the.
Sarathi is Sarathi tishtati. Bhumo tishtati.
Oh, Sarathi. Okay, Sarathi stays on the ground. Yeah.
Bhumo tishtati. Rataha.
Chalate vayu vegena.
Rataha Parvatagre yati. Saratihi bhumo tishtati.
Bhumo tishtati. Chalate vayu vegena padamekam na gacchati. They go really fast like the wind, at the speed of the wind, but we don't go even a step, right? Chalate vayu vegena. Okay, it is going with a chariot is moving on the hill and the charioteer is standing on the ground. It is going with the speed of the wind, but not moving even a single foot forward. I think we read this before, right? Potter's Wheel. It rotates on the hill, so on the stand. The charioteer, the potter stands on the ground. Though it rotates fast, it does not move even one step forward.
The Chalati, so there it rotates. Chalate.
Chalate. Oh, that is
Ubhayapadi. Ubhayapadi.
Yeah,
Chalati,
chalate. Or is it even though it is going at the speed of the wind, right? So is it
chalate iti chaturthi vibhakti va?
Sat saptami is the
Vayu vegena chalate iti.
Chalate, no.
Chalate lat lakara.
Lat lakarah chalati iti ubhayapadi va? Ekanimshamaham.
Or is it I thought it might be Sat Saptami, right? No. Even
No.
Sat Saptami chalati will come. If it is Sat Saptami chalati, it should be. Chalanta, chalati. Chaladbhyam.
Chalate vayu vegena.
Ekanimshamaham pashya.
Chalataha is tritiya, chalate.
Chaturthi vibhakti,
right?
Chaturthi eva bhavati. Chalate.
Chaturthi vibhakti ekavachanam chalate iti.
Tadra chaturthyaha apeksha nasti atra.
Nasti.
Ubhayapadi eva bhavati. Chalate. Chalati.
Chal.
Parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi.
Nasti.
Nasti. फिर चलते कुत्र चतुर्थी विभक्त्याम् एव आगच्छति न चलते इति
चलते इति चतुर्थी एव भवति
अतः भवितुं शक्यते चलते पदमेकं न गच्छति चलते चलते वायुवेगेन पदमेकं न गच्छति
वायुवेगेन चलते अपि पदम् एकं पदं न गच्छति
परन्तु चतुर्थी विभक्ति प्रयोजनं किम् अस्ति अत्र
किमस्ति
कारकम्
अत्र प्रयोजनं नास्ति चतुर्थी विभक्त्याः
unless it is a typo or मुद्रण दोषम्
एकनिमिषम् अहं पश्यामि दोषः अस्ति वा इति चलति वायुवेगेन इति भवति वा इति
चलति
चलते एव अस्ति चलते वायुवेगेन पदमेकं न गच्छति पुस्तके चलते एव दत्तमस्ति
पुस्तके अपि
अस्य अर्थं न सम्यक् अस्ति
पुस्तके चलते इत्येव अस्ति
चलते इत्येव अस्ति
अस्तु द्वितीयः प्रश्नः चलते इति अस्ति अनन्तरं पञ्चमी विभक्ति किमर्थम् इति तदपि
पञ्चमी अपि चलते एव भवति किल
न चलतः भवति पूर्वं पृष्टवान् किल कुत्र आसीत् वज्रादपि तत्र पञ्चमी किमर्थं चलते इति अत्र चतुर्थी किमर्थं
होम्वर्क् फॉर यू गृहपाठं सर्वेभ्यः
आमाम्
चलते वायुवेगेन पदमेकं न गच्छति आन्सर् उत्तरं
potter's wheel, right? What do you call it in Sanskritam? Ghati.
Kumbhakarasya
chakrah.
Not Kumbhakarah. Oh, it is the wheel, right? Is that Kumbhakarah? Kumbhakarah is the potter, right?
Kumbhakarasya
chakrah.
Chakra.
Potter's wheel.
Chakram iti napumsakalingam.
Chakram. Sorry. Chakram.
घटचक्रम्
ओके सो अत्रापि आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अनुवादनं
पुस्तके यदस्ति तदेव वयं लिखामः
ओके
प्रायः कोविदपरीक्षायां सर्वमपि संस्कृतेन लेखनीयम् इति भविष्यति कोविदपरीक्षायां
संस्कृते
Are you writing Kovida, Shailaja Mahoday?
न महोदय अहं शिक्षा एव लिखामि
Then second one. We'll take the second one. Somebody will read.
Rajan Kamalabhadracha Tate Bhavatu Satchayam Asadayati Yadrupam Bhavitavinasara Karneshu Karene Satrupam Yadrupam
एकनिमिषम् अहं परिष्करोमि यद्रूपम् अस्तु एकनिमिषम्
Page number in the book?
29.
29. Navimshatihi.
आसादयति यद्रूपं करेणुः करणैः विना।
यद्रूपं करेणुः करणैः विना।
आयुः करणैः करेणुः करणैः विना। करेणुः करणैः विना
करणैः तृतीया बहुवचनं।
व्यक्ति बहुवचनं किल?
तृतीया बहुवचनं।
तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं। करणैः विना करेणुः कर्णः करेणुः इति कथं करेणुः
तत्र दत्तं
गुणसन्धिः अस्ति अत्र।
गुणसन्धिः आयुः
न वृद्धि आ प्लस ए इक्वल टू आई इति वृद्धिः वृद्धिसन्धिः।
रूपं करेणुः करेणः विना
आयुः
आयुः
ऐ प्लस
आयुः
So
अयवायाव
this is
सन्धि।
करण
some
अयवायाव, right? The second one is
आम् प्रथमं वृद्धिसन्धिः आ प्लस इक्वल टू आई इति वृद्धिसन्धिः आई प्लस हु इक्वल टू आयुः तत्र अयवायाव सन्धिः।
okay.
आई इति आगच्छति।
So from karenu you have to remove the ik and then what is left is a and u.
ओ तत्र
then
दोषं कृतवती।
a I bhavati I u ayu bhavati.
आयुः
what a roundabout way to say it.
Really confusing.
शिरसि भ्रमिते।
तत्तु ते भवतु चाक्षयम्। तत्तु ते भवतु चाक्षयम्। यत् रूपं करेणु करणैः विना आसादयति।
तत्ते भवतु अक्षयम्, right?
Akshayam.
Akshayam.
In plenty. No akshayam. No akshayam.
चाक्षयम्। यद् रूपं करेणुः करणैः विना आसादयति आसादयति
यद् रूपं करेणुः करणैः विना यद् रूपम् आसादयति
आसादयति यत् अवशिष्टं. That's what it means, isn't it?
No,
what is remaining?
What you obtain, right?
What you obtain?
No, what is obtained, right? Sadayati, isn't it? What remains? Okay. What remains? Is it? What remains?
What remains?
Is it? Karanaihi vina, yeah. Karenuhu karanaihi vina yadrupam asadayati.
Karanaihi, not ranaihi. Karana. The karanas.
Yeah, karanaihi.
The consonant ik, n. That has to be removed.
Tatte akshayam bhavatu.
Okay. So now it is clear or still confusing? Okay. Go to the next one.
Yeah.
Somebody will read.
Okay. Raja. Go ahead, Bhatia Mahoday.
Bhagini, go ahead.
Okay. Viraja Rajaputrarehe Yannama Chaturaksharam Purvardham Tava Vairinam Parardham Tava Sangare.
Virajarajaputrarehe.
Virajaraja is Vishnu. Is it? Putra.
Ari is Sattvaiti.
Manmata.
Virajaraja Putraha is Manmata.
Putra Hari.
Manmata.
Manmata.
His enemy is Lord Shiva. Okay.
Arihi is Sattva. Arehe means Shakti.
Jaya. Parardham Tava Sangare.
Purvardham Tava Vairinam Parardham Tava Sangare.
Mrityuhu Tava Vairinam Jayaha Tava.
Yuddhe Jaya. Sangare Yuddhe.
Sangara Yuddhe, right? Yeah.
Sangara Yuddhe. Purvardham Tava Vairinam. So again we will go through this. V is God.
Death to your enemies, right? Death to your enemies and victory in battle.
To you.
To you, yeah.
V Raja.
Pakshinam Rajaha Garuda.
Pakshin Raja Garuda. Viraja Rajaha.
Garudasya Rajaha.
This master is Vishnu. Viraja Raja Putraha Manmataha. Viraja Raja Putrasya Arihi Shivaha. Another name, four letter word. Chaturaksharam.
अत्र स्वरस्य एव गणनं भवति
मृत्युञ्जय
व्यञ्जनस्य न
मृत्युञ्जय
syllable, right? Syllables basically.
मृत्युञ्जय. Okay, 4. So mrityu is first half, jaya is second half. Purvardham tava vairinam parardham tava sangare. Sangare tava vairinam mrityuhu bhavatu tava jayaha bhavatu. Iti.
Purvardham tava vairinam mrityuhu bhavatu parardham tava jayaha bhavatu.
Sangare Jaya.
Jaya. Oh, great. Okay.
Vishnu's
Next
son
one.
is Manmata. I didn't know that.
Next one. Who will read?
Too much noise here. That's why I muted myself. My children are making a lot of noise.
Okay, and one of you will read. Okay.
Prayena Nicha Lokasya Kaha Karoti hai Garvatam Ado Varnadvayam Datva Bruhi Ke Vanavasinah. Prayena
Nicha Lokasya Kaha Karoti Iha Garvatam.
Nicha Lokaha Nicha Lokasya Garvam Kutras
Kena Bhavati.
Kena Bhavati.
Prayena.
Prayaha Dhana. Another word for this is Raha.
Adav
Varnadvayam Tatva
Bruhi
Varnadvayam Adav Yojayatva Bruhi Kaha Vanavasina.
Ke Vanavasina.
Ke Vanavasina.
Okay. So you have to look for a paryaya padam for wealth. Raha. All this we will not know, these words. Raha. Any other word where this is used?
Bahuvachanam Raha. Shabda Rai.
Rai.
Rai Shabdasya Bahuvachanam Raha.
Raha.
Rai, how is that, like 2 syllables or?
Like ऐकारान्त
एकदा पृष्टवान्
नपुंसकं
हैवत्
पुल्लिङ्गं
महोदय कक्षायाम् ऐकारान्त शब्दः अस्ति वा इति गृहकार्यं in the beginning of the classes once he had asked us. I didn't give the answer because I did not know. Rai, is it how does it go?
Rai. Rai is pullinga. Aikarantah pullinga. Aikarantah
पुल्लिङ्गः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
Rai shabdah. Rai shabdah.
But Raha is ekavachanam. Raha Rayau Raya.
Raha Rayau Rayah.
उपजन्मपि अस्ति द्वितीय विभक्तौ.
So
can we go back to that one? प्रायेण नीचलोक
आदौ वर्णद्वयं दत्वा प्रथमं
गर्वताम् is inferior.
द्वे अक्षर
गर्वताम् इति नीचलोकस्य गर्वतां करोति इति तत्र गर्वता इति
गर्वस्य भावः
गर्वस्य भावः गर्वता
like we say mamata like that गर्वस्य भावः गर्वता गर्वतां करोति स्त्रीलिंग शब्दं गर्वतां करोति वर्णद्वयं दत्वा शभ added at the beginning शबराः ब्रूहिके वनवासिनः. Another name for Vanavasina is Shabaraha.
What is the word for
Shabari iti nama api
रामायणे
अस्मादेव
स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दः शबर शबरः इति पुल्लिङ्गं शबरी
पुल्लिङ्गे शबरी
स्त्रीलिङ्गम्.
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति गर्वताम् इति भावः गर्वणानां
गर्वम् इति गर्वः इति भवति किल.
So now how will the noun be? The person possessing garva will become?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Garvita.
So garvita, the sashti bahuvachana will be garvitanam, no? Garvinam.
I think garvi also.
Garvi also.
Garvi also is right. Garvi is garvi, garvinav, garvinah, garvinav. Garvinna shabdam.
Garvinam. Okay.
I think it will.
How did garvatam come? I still don't understand.
Garvata is
garvata iti garvasya bhavah.
Oh, okay.
Like you say mamata, like that.
Oh, so ikta pratyaya will not come for garva because
taddita pratyaya.
Oh, okay. So then it is garvi only. Okay.
Garvinav. Okay. Homework. Grahapatam.
Kaha grahapaatah kaha?
That the how does that garva, garvita, garvi.
Oh, astu.
Some work on it. Something to. We will finish with this, the fifth one. Somebody will read the fifth one.
Okay. Rajnyaha sambodhanam kim syad. Sugrivasya tu ka priya. Adanastu kim ichchati. Artehi kim kede vada.
Rajnyasya sambodhanam.
Rajan.
who was the beloved of Sugriva?
Tara, right?
Tara. What do poor people wish for? Dhanam. What do the
Dhanam, yeah.
sisters do?
Dhanam.
Pray, right?
This is easy.
Arthahi,
This is
pray.
at least easy. Rajah Agnyah Sambodhanam Kim.
Wow.
So how is the king addressed? Deva. Deva.
Deva,
Hey, Deva.
okay.
Hey
Tara,
Deva.
Deva, Tara,
Deva, Tara.
Sugriva said to Kapriya. That
Deva
gives a very
Tara.
good clue. That gives a good clue.
Yeah, that is a
Sugriva
good clue.
to Kapriya. Tara.
Tara.
Adana-
रुमां न इच्छति रुमा इति नास्ति
Huh?
रुमा इति नास्ति तारा इति अस्ति
Tara, yeah.
न रुमा एव तस्य पत्नी
Mama.
Tara.
Parantu Kapriya. Kapriya.
बालेः पत्नी तारा
अनन्तरं सा
न,
तमपि सुग्रीवमपि परिणीतवती
तत्र Kapriya इति पृष्टम्.
मरणात् अनन्तरं
प्रिया।
सा परिणीतवती
Yeah, okay.
Kapriya इति पृष्टम्.
तारा चतुरा
तारा अधनास्तु किम् इच्छन्ति किम् इच्छति अधनास्तु
Adanaha tu.
Adanaha tu.
किम् इच्छन्ति इति
Adanaha tu.
अधनस्तु
इच्छन्ति
अधनास्तु किम्
तत्र
इच्छन्ति
इच्छति इति अस्ति
इच्छति अस्ति इच्छन्ति
एकनिमिषम् अहं
Ichanti. Kim ichanti.
इच्छन्ति एव समीचीनम् अहं
इच्छन्ति
दोषं
एव?
कृतवती
इच्छन्ति आर्तैः किं क्रियते वद
Kriyate is what form? Lat lakara atmanepadam, but how karoti became
कर्मणि
प्रयोगः
Bhavati.
आर्तैः
Kriyate.
कर्मणि प्रयोगः
कर्मणि प्रयोगः
Kritaduhu Bhavati api asti.
Gamyate, like that, right?
Karoti kriyate.
Karmani. Yeah.
करोति क्रियते
Kriyate. Karoti kriyate.
Oh, okay.
करोति कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्मणि प्रयोगे क्रियते
Thank you.
सुग्रीवस्य अधनास्तु किम् इच्छन्ति धनम् आर्तैः किं क्रियते वद आर्तः डू डिस्ट्रेस डू भगवद्गीतायामपि अस्ति किल आर्त जिज्ञासु ज्ञानी three types of devotees artah
Artharthi.
artha
Something.
artharthi no, there is one more also there
Artha Vishanna Shitilascha.
there it comes in correct
Oh, Artha.
artha vishanna shitilascha bhuta
That's in this
Gore-
right? Vishnu Sahasranam.
goreshu yadishu
Atanam api sandaram.
correct that comes in the okay artha means those who are in distress or who are artaihi kim kriyate vada so devataradhanam devataradhanam
Devataradhanam.
okay I think अत्र स्थगयामः
अस्तु
and for the next class somebody will continue with this
Next. Okay.
in the same order
Okay.
Whatever
Viramam
is left.
nasti va? Thanksgiving weekend asti.
Oh,
in that case if you want we can
Viramam bhavatu va?
if you
yeah,
want to cancel the class we can cancel no problem
yeah.
because many people may be going out no?
Yes. Yeah.
It's a long
Yeah.
weekend
Not only long weekend, this Thursday evening, everybody will be having dinner. So,
oh Thanksgiving dinner okay yes
Thanksgiving.
yes
Yeah.
okay then we will meet What is today's?
After 25th will be on
December
the
2nd. Va?
second December.
Second December. And we will continue with this.
Exam date,
From
does anybody
wherever
know
we
for
left.
sure when?
January, January, Kim?
Last
26th.
Sunday.
Va?
Last Sunday.
Oh, last Sunday.
Agreement.
Last Sunday.
January
I'm told.
20,
5th or something you said, no? No.
22nd. Sunday
26th.
इत्युक्ते January 23rd. January 23rd.
Oh.
January
that gives us-
23rd इत्युक्ते अस्माकं कृते January 22nd. January 23rd India time. January
India time.
22nd India. I mean US time.
US.
Astu. That gives us 4 classes in December and maybe 3 classes in January.
2 classes
7
in
classes.
January. Oh, 3 classes. Yeah, 3 classes.
3
in
classes
January.
maximum. Okay.
And this
Okay, then we will continue with this.
Coimbatore question paper and Bangalore
Yeah, we
question
should,
paper
instead
are
of
different.
reading all this, we should read all this on our own. Maybe the question paper is more useful to discuss in the class. Now that we
Okay,
have this, we can all, this is all in the book and we can just read on.
Okay,
our own.
we'll do the question papers. Okay, then.
But is it possible to get the Coimbatore question paper, a model paper? There is a difference between
Yeah. Bangalore and Coimbatore, yeah.
Bangalore. Can we get a Coimbatore question paper, a model question paper? It will be better.
Nivedita site has all question papers, no? Last time, however, Ji shared it on screen. Some Nivedita.wordpress.
That's the only question papers that we
Okay,
know.
then if somebody can locate those question papers, we will do those question papers. These things we can read on our own.
Hmm.
And if there are any mistakes, just post a message and fix them.
Okay,
Shailaja
and
Mahodaya,
include
was this shared in the group? I did not check the messages.
Yes.
Yeah, this
Okay, okay.
last week
Thanks.
itself it was shared.
Last
second
class when
December
he
Milan.
said that time only I had
Oh,
shared.
okay.
Immediately in the class itself, she immediately sent it.
Hmm.
So if the question papers, somebody is able to get them, share them in the group also, so that we can also do a little homework and be ready. No?
That will be better.
I have one doubt, not related to this thing. This Kasmin Chit is there, right? How would you do the Sandhi thing? Kasmin plus Chitta.
Yeah, Kasmin
Smith
Yoga
plus-
Chit.
But where did that Anuswara come?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
becomes
that was a Sandhi
Kasmin
rule
Chit.
is there.
That's also
Special rule
Sandhi.
is there for India. Nakarasya Anantaram Vishesha Nimaha Sandhi.
Kasmin Chit.
But Nakarasya Anantaram Sha Bhavati.
Yeah, Bhavati.
Takara.
Parantu that Anuswara, that Bindu, how did
The rules are there for that.
There is a rule for that. Yeah,
Ah.
Sandhi.
Oh, okay.
It is not that easy.
These are all big points.
Okay, that's also another homework to find out the prakriya
Okay.
for Kasminship.
It's a prakriya, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Astu.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, 2nd December Milan.
Okay, we'll say the shloka.
Yeah.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Okay, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः.
Dhanyawad.
धन्यवादः महोदय. शैलजा महोदय और
सम्यक्
Thank you.
चालितवन्तः.